Greetings. If you have an 05 through 08 Ford Escape or Mazda Tribute, even a Mariner, and you're experiencing a stalling condition when you engage the vehicle in drive or reverse, maybe even a noise associated with that, then you came to the right place. You're watching the Car Doctor channel. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Got a quick tip. You may run into this. Owners of Ford Escapes experience a condition where you put the car in drive or reverse, and may cause the engine to stall. Also may be making a noise like this one. The Ford TSB number is 7-5-6. It's related to the stalling condition and covers year models 05 through 08, Escapes and Tributes, of course, also Mariners. This one here's got 102,000. This is an 08 with the V6, gonna affect year models across a broad range, and also include the 4-cylinder models. I'll start this up and show you what I'm talking about. Idles perfectly natural in neutral or park. As soon as you put it in gear, try revving it up. Does not rev up. It's like there's no power. And once it's warmed up, this vehicle will stall. It won't even stay running. So again, if the vehicle doesn't rev up with you when you kind of power brake it and drive, that's a sign that the torque converter itself is failing and locking up on you. You know, this one's got over 100,000 miles, and you know, there's a high probability that there's internal transmission issues as well. I would hate to pull the tranny and just slap a torque converter in it and head down the road and still have some issues, but you can, of course. And what I recommend in this case, if you're going to just try the torque converter, pull that and then replace it and flush the system well, and see how that goes. You also might want to test drive it, make sure it's shifting through all the gears properly and there's no slipping. And as long as that's the case, and you're not too worried about the transmission, or you don't mind a little trial and error, you can sure give that a try. The transmissions are problematic on these rigs, so remember that. And hopefully this tip will save you some time and money. And I appreciate you stopping by the channel. I will catch you later.